So here we go. This is the first part of the video. Like I said, this is the passenger side floor pan of my 1968 Mustang coupe. It's got a little bit of corrosion in it, a little bit of rust, kind of pinhole rust. It's not major. It's pretty still structurally sound. So first thing we're going to do is we're going to start sanding this down. Not going to have any sound right here, so I'm going to get some music on and start working on sanding this down. Just rough sanding it a little bit, just knocking the dust off, knocking the epoxy coating down, so we can go on to the next step. So here we go. So as you can see, I've got a little bit of separation in the metal here between the two sections of the floorboard. The panel that comes from the firewall to the actual seat bottom has got a little bit more than I expected, a little bit of separation, but that's okay. Like I said, this is just going to be a daily driver. This is not a concourse restoration. This is not a car that's going to be seeing a lot of rain or snow or anything like that. I live in Southern California, so I don't expect it to rust anymore. This is, like I said, this has been bead blasted and epoxy coated, so any of the rust that's in here is going to be pretty well encapsulated. This is the first step. So I've taken up that part of the rust right there, separated the metal as best as I can. Like I said, I'm not going to cut this out. This is the structural original sheet pan that's in here, so I'm going to try and keep it as much as I can, but I do want to knock some of this rust down before I move on to the next step. So here we go again. Alright, so there we go. A little bit of grinding in there. Like I said, this is just a repair. This isn't just, the metal's pretty structurally sound. It's all sound. Most of it is just some pinhole rust. This right here is the biggest spot that I've got. So we'll get in a little bit closer to that. There we go. That's what we're looking at as the worst part of the rust. I've got it knocked down pretty good. This is step one, and again, you can see some of these pinholes. That's another little spot I'm going to touch up a little bit. Here is the opening for the drain plug and all that stuff. So that's what we're working with right now. This is step one of repairing this pinhole rust that's in the passenger floor panel. Hopefully you like the videos. Like I said, this is going to be the first stop on what I do on my channel. Keep track of the videos. If you have any questions, pop them down into the comments. Hopefully you enjoy your cars. I enjoy my cars. I enjoy doing stuff myself. So this is what we've got to work with. Second part of this video is going to be coming up fairly soon, and then we'll see how far we get with this little bit of rust conversion. So until we end, peace to everybody out. Have a great Mustang day, and see you.
Project 68.